Good morning. I see a lot of people giving up on yourself, giving up on your relationship, giving up on your God, giving up on your dreams. There's no need. Life is hard. It's going to throw you a couple of wrenches. But every challenge is going to make you smarter. It's going to make you stronger. It's going to make your skin tougher. Fight out those battles. Push through that relationship. Push through that college course. Push through that domestic violence situation. Push through that new job that you're pushing for or those interviews. Something about you is standing out. And because of that reason, the devil is attacking you even harder. You cannot give up. Right when you're at the brink of feeling like all else has failed and you can't do anymore, you can't push anymore, you can't breathe anymore, it's too hard to continue living, it's too hard, you have too many bills, your kids are going crazy, your relationship is not working, your blessing is on that other side. You've got to knock down that wall. You've got to fight. You got to fight like you've never fought before. Because if the enemy didn't think that you were worth attacking, he wouldn't be attacking you. It's something, and you've got to reach inside yourself and realize that you are amazing. You are wonderful. You are loved. Even if you feel nobody else loves you, love yourself. Self-love is the best love because there is a God in you that is above all other things on this earth to make you mighty within yourself, within this earth. So keep pushing, keep praying, and keep doing. Your blessing is coming.